no lunai kahale kai no kama aleva nana kama kaya moa no nei kale huala no hoi ke kai o mali o ahai e tua ela kale ua i laila lai i laila hoi e ala e ala e
From the root-matted mountain retreat, my eyes look out at Moana Nui Kalehua, and I beg to see, to become, the tall lehua trees grow there by the sea. The tall lehua trees of Hokoi, the lehua blossom bears the mist and go below. They walk the grounds below. The pebbles at Kea'au grind in the surf. The sea at Puna shouts to the hullabaloo. Rough is the sea of Puna. Mahalo, girls. The next one we'd like to do is